Hello YouTube. I have been starting my videos out with that phrase here lately. I guess it seems okay. Well, in today's video, or tonight's, whichever way you look at it, I'm doing some testing and about ready to wrap up my wiring video. It is taking quite a bit of time to do. I want to make sure that I don't miss any steps and want you guys to be able to perform this same upgrade as I have. You know, I am making this video for you, so enjoy this calm, peaceful night ride while you wait. Just trying to pump out some semi-quality content here for you guys. I'm almost to 1,000 subs, so go down to the bottom, hit that subscription button if you haven't already, and I hope you enjoy this video. Christmas. It's supposed to be raining here shortly, so I won't be able to ride too long, but I wanted to do a quick night ride. I got all my controls hooked on, as you saw previously, so I figured I'd go out and do a test ride with this. That's the way it is. This guy should be getting over. He's going into our subdivision. So the controls on the handlebar now, so I can control the PAS levels and turn the bike on and off, go through the menus, things like that, without having to reach down. I removed that other piece. What's this? Or something? It's actually really nice out today. Oh, I wonder if this thing's here. You guys might be able to actually see. Take it away. No, it's still here. 23. That's pretty good. Now, of course, that's going downhill. And this is going uphill. And I'm not pedaling at all. At least at this point. Something's squeaking though. The motor's working hard. Pedal now because I don't want the motor to die. watching the game, huh? I'll come up here next to the pool and you'll hear all the frogs. Probably swimming in the chlorine, which is not good for them. Turn around. This will probably be my last ride before I actually go in and wire everything up the proper way. So just wanted to come out tonight since it's really nice out. And it's like 9:30, 10 o'clock, something like that. So I figured I'd get a really quick ride in tonight. And this headlight's pretty bright, so let's put that on bright. So now you guys can probably see better.
There are drugs that cause hallucinations, schizophrenia, manic depression. Hallucinations, schizophrenia, manic depression. There are drugs that cause hallucinations, schizophrenia, manic depression. Hallucinations, schizophrenia. There are drugs that cause hallucinations.